learn about adjective. This video for class 4, 5 and 6. Here is a definition of adjective. What is adjective? And adjective is a describing on it's a tale about quality of person, and like that big, small, handsome, beautiful, ugly. These are quality of person, things. Here is a definition of adjective. Let's see first definition. An adjective qualify a noun telling us something specific about it, as big, few, beautiful, some. It tells quality of a person, and here is hungry, long, ugly, too, short, handsome, purple, etc. Now let's see it's a in detail. Let's see in detail. So here is we will study adjective in detail. An adjective may tell you about. An adjective may tell you about. First, the state of a noun or pronoun. State means a quality of a noun or pronoun. Happy, as happy, angry, beautiful, tall, etc. Now many more of their example. Long, ugly, as you can write ugly, handsome. Now look at the second. It tells size of a noun or pronoun. It tells size of a noun or pronoun. Like that, large, small, long, thin, heavy, etc. Now here is the fourth topic. The adjective. It's a tell us about color. It's a tell us about color of a noun or pronoun. Like that, red, yellow, blue, green, black, etc. Many others color. Next, it tells number of a noun or pronoun. It's tell number of a noun or pronoun. Like that, 1, 2, 4, second, number of it. So in English, adjectives are generally used in the order. Here is the order when you use adjective. Learn it carefully. First, quantity of a things, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. Here is adjectives are used generally in the order. Now look at their types. There are types of adjective. There are 7 types of adjective. Now look at the types of adjective. There is adjective of quality, adjective of number, distributive adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, and adjective of quantity. Now look at their definition with example in detail. So here is a adjective of quality. Now quality tells us size, shape, color, or attribute. An adjective of a quality describes the kinds or quality of a person or thing. It tells quality of a person or things. It describes the size, shape, color, and attribute. Here is an example. This piece of candy is sweet. Here is sweet. Adjective of quality. My cousin is handsome. So handsome is a adjective of quality. The cat is hungry. So hungry is a adjective of quality. This is a purple shirt. Now purple is a color and it is an adjective of quality. So sweet, handsome, hungry, purple are these example of adjective of quality. Talking about adjective of numbers, and here is the An adjective of number or numeral adjective shows how many person or things are linked, which is referred by numbers, or in what order a person or thing stand. It means it tells us number of thing or person or thing. It tells us number of person or things and refer what in position person or thing stand. There is example. Hand has 5 fingers. It tells us number of things. Hand has 5 fingers. Here is another example. I stood second in the class. A second is a tells order of person. Order of person. What order of person or thing are stand. A second are the example of adjective of number. Here is a numeral adjectives are of 2 types. Here is a numeral adjective. Numeral adjective are of 2 types. Definite numeral adjective and indefinite numeral adjective. Now look at the first definite numeral adjective. Here is a first a definite numeral adjective. It is specified the exact number. Exact number. It is also 2 types. Definite numeral adjective is also 2 types. Here is a look at the first definite numeral adjectives are of 2 types. There is 2 type what? Ordinal and cardinal. Ordinal and cardinal. Ordinal is a showing number first, second, third, and the cardinal is showing number 1, 2, 3. Here is an indefinite numeral adjective. Here is a indefinite numeral adjective. It means it does not specify an exact number, not exact number. Like that, here is example. Many. Many is not exact number. Many means more. Some, all, no, several, few, most, more, etc. These are example of indefinite numeral adjective, and it does not tell a specific number. Next adjective type of adjective. It is here is talking about distributive adjective. Distributive adjective what? It refers to number of a group individually. Like that, here is an example: each, every, either, and neither. Look at the next is a possessive adjective. What is possessive adjective? It shows ownership or position. It shows ownership or position. Here is example. The students did their homework. Means there is shows ownership or position there. Is this your sweater? Now in this sentence, your is a distributive adjective. It shows ownership of the person. Trisha showed her dog. Now in this sentence, her is a distributive adjective. It shows ownership. So here is a fifth, talking about interrogative adjective. What is interrogative adjective? It asks question. It asks question. They are used to ask question as what, which, whose. Like that, use in a sentence. What is your name? Which class do you read? Whose book is this? Now look at the sixth, talking about demonstrative adjective. It point out the nouns. Like that, this, that, these, those, such. Now look at the next. So here is the last types of adjective. Now talking about adjective of quantity. It means it shows the amount of the approximate amount of the noun or a pronoun. It means it tells amount of a thing. Like that, most, many, and half, full. It tells quantity of a thing. So thank you. I hope you all better understand this chapter.